Have you ever thought of combining meat with grapes? It may seem unusual, but this gastronomic adventure promises a delightful blend of flavors and a host of health benefits. So today we're exploring a recipe that marries the richness of meat with the sweet, refreshing taste of grapes. Here's what you'll need: 500 grams of your preferred meat, a cup of fresh grapes, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and seasonings like salt, pepper, and herbs to taste. You can also opt for a cup of red wine to add depth to the dish. The preparation is simple. Start by cutting your meat into small pieces and seasoning it with salt, pepper, and herbs of your choice. Then, heat up the olive oil in a pan, toss in the chopped onion and garlic, followed by the meat. Sauté the mix until the meat turns a beautiful golden color. Now it's time for the stars of the show, the grapes. Add them whole or halved into the pan. Pour in the wine if you're using it, and cook on medium heat until the grapes soften and the sauce thickens. Now, while you savor the incredible flavors of this dish, it's also worth noting its health benefits. The meat, high in quality protein, iron, and B vitamins, contributes to muscle growth and energy production. The grapes, packed with antioxidants, vitamins C and K and resveratrol, support heart health. If you choose to add red wine, it brings along polyphenols that further boost heart health. So there you have it, a gourmet recipe that is as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. It's the perfect addition to an elegant dinner or a special occasion. Now it's your turn to give it a whirl. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Have you tried meat with grapes before? What are your favorite combinations? Don't hesitate to share in the comments below. And, if you're looking for more recipes that combine taste with health benefits, do subscribe to our channel and share this post. Join our community of healthy cooking enthusiasts and stay tuned for more flavorful, health-boosting recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!